What's up, everyone? About to do a bike check on my Dakota Roche Colt. We'll start right here with the handlebars, the Fit Grips, Kink Hulk bars, the Colt stem Salvation. It's just a Mission headset, doing just fine. We got Colt Sect forks, Cinema front wheel, Colt Alex Kennedy tire, and the Colt Dakota Roche frame. Got Odyssey twisted pedals, Madeira profile cranks. Got the 25 tooth profile blackjack sprocket, the Shadow Conspiracy chain. I rock a profile bottom bracket, Kink Tony Hamlin seat. Got an animal seat post. There's another Colt Alex Kennedy tire. There's a Colt back wheel. Just stock hub guards that came with the wheels. Primo pegs. Left side drive. 21-inch frame. It's about, I don't know, 25 pounds maybe. But it does what it needs to do.